Hey friends, we are talking about the homework that we did yesterday. So we did 271 and 276. I'm going into my ebook right here. 271, I believe, was in 2.1.7 and 76 was in 2.1.8. So I'm opening up 2.1.7 and looked like this. They wanted to know, can we match up in our calculator an expression from the left and an answer to the right? And they looked really complicated, right? So there's a lot of things going on. What they really wanted you to know is they wanted you to work with the scientific calculator, make sure that you can understand how to use negatives, and make sure you know how to use the parentheses. One thing I want to let you in on, the coolest calculator is up here on CP/M. If you go to calculator, go to Desmos Scientific. Okay? So if I click on that, I'm going to go to the first problem. I'm going to go -3. And you can, I'll have to pull it over a little bit. Yeah, you can see -3 right there. And then plus 16. And then opposite -5, or subtract -5, opposite -5, opposite parenthesis, there's a parenthesis, -5 parenthesis. And look at that, the answer is already right there. I'll do one more and then I'll show you the whole list. And then I'll show you what's super cool about the Desmos Scientific Calculator. And this is right up here. All right, so let's go parenthesis 3 minus 5. Parenthesis 3 minus 5. Oh, wait, we want a new one right there. Okay. Let's hit enter. There we go. Parenthesis 3 minus 5. Parenthesis times 6 plus 2. You see the answer right there is -16. Okay, so we know that the first one is 18. The next one is -16. And the cool thing about this calculator, two more things I'm going to show you that's really cool. You can just put all your problems and list them. You know, like in a regular calculator, you have to clear every time. Here you can see everything all together. So here are all the problems that we worked out. Here are all the solutions. Okay, and the really cool thing, check this out. See this? This is convert to fraction. So you have the decimal here, you can convert it to 3/4, or you can convert it back to a decimal. Or if you have a decimal here, 5/10, you can convert that to 1/2. Isn't that cool? I love this. So if you look up here, next to your eTools are calculators, Desmos Scientific Calculator. Next problem was on 2.1.8, and this was 276. It says translate the equation made at the right into an equation. Remember that the double line means equal. Okay, equal. So we're not in the comparison mat anymore. The comparison mat was we got something over here, and they wanted to know which one's greater. Right now we want to know, look right down the middle. That means equal. So it's going to be balanced on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to click on this tool. And what do we see? Well, I'm looking right top to bottom. I see the same. I see 2 up here. I can pull away 2 down here. I see 2 negatives up here. I can pull 2 negatives down here. All right, now if I pull this up here, it becomes negative. Oh, I see a 0 pair. I missed right there. And these become like that. And then if I pull this one over here, that becomes negative. Wait a minute. No. Yeah. So I see a -x on each side. And over here, I have -2 on this side. And I have a, oh, there's one of my cats grabbing my leg here. That's Harry. He's the shy one of the group. Yeah, I'll see if he'll come up and say hi. You want to say hi to the kids? Yeah, he's the baby of the group. All right, so over here we had -2, and over here we had +1. Okay, so that's how we worked out that problem. Cool. What are we doing now? Let's go to, oh, yeah, we have a formative tomorrow. So I'm going to get on the formative right now and then just talk about what are some common errors. Okay, have a good day, friends.